Look at that, guys. I get today this one. I really buy it. This is they call Ashoganda. I want to make record. Always new plant come, I make record. This is really Ashoganda. I don't know. This is I don't know. Is maybe different type of Ashoganda. I don't know it is work or not. Ashwagandha really have different type of, English ashwagandha they say which one called white carrot, like I don't know this name. Anyway, I have this one in garden and cactus ashwagandha which one called San Petro. This I have. The look at that. This one today come. I don't know, in UK you can grow everything really, guys. So still I'm trying my best. I invest my money for this. So today I'm going to plant this one. This much come. Uh, Look at that. They give, like this something and they bring scent like this really. So uh, there was jackfruit tree. You see, this not work. So I'm putting different plant. So indoor have too much place, just have limited place. So I have to put plant in every pot. I have to make space for more and more tree really. So I'm giving this one nearby. So this is really moisture, like this. Hope so work, guys. Lots of money really I invest in plant because it is my hobby, guys. And this is very nice, like a wood chip, guys. I'm putting this one nearby around this plant. So I hope this will be settled down. This ashwagandha is very good for health. It's like a medicine, guys. So I have okay now already. In UK, I have indoor ashwagandha is a cactus ashwagandha. That one is San Petro indoor, and outdoor I have parsley. Yeah, it's parsley, guys. Parsley. People say English ashwagandha. Ashwagandha have different type of or ashwagandha quality they have in San Petro in like ashwagandha have very medicinal value. So this kind of medicinal value have in like a San Petro in like a like yeah parsley, guys. Also trying to grow other seed. Look at that, guys. Just I want to grow more and more plant in indoor. So I just put more and more seed and plant. So my indoor should be green also. How much work I don't know. I try my best all the time, guys. So today I'm happy. I was waiting for this ashwagandha. This come from Australia. Yeah, this come very quickly. I'm happy for this. Very quickly come and yeah, this is quite look healthy. I don't know. Sometimes look healthy, then it's die. So money wasting sometimes. Still try. People go holiday, people buy costly clothes, and I don't do this, guys. So I do just buy the plant and try to make more and more plant in my garden. That's it. It is a renting house. Still, I'm doing it. Life always fighting because system not yet genius to help people. I'm trying my best, guys. I'm trying to practice law through my company, and I hope so. I'm trying to help myself, my family, and then I can help others too. Because when you make a new law have really also law have which one not practicing because maybe traditional law firm it is not good for them because they want to make money, not give that justice for the people. So real law people really not practicing, but my through my company, I'm trying to practice. I'm practicing the real law, so everybody get real justice. So this is my mission, vision, and ambition of my company. Really, I'm trying my best. Really, from 2019, yeah, when I moved this city again, I just changed my working style because before I used to work in university, now I'm working for law because this is situation demand. By practicing law, I can help more to the people, to meet myself, my family, my friends. So this is best option I feel. Whenever I feel best option is this, really I practice. Pray for my this ashwagandha, guys. I don't know what is this ashwagandha is. It is Asian ashwagandha. Normally people say this is a real ashwagandha, like Asian one. I will check this one more. Is really I buy Asian one or not? But I'm happy about that. They give 24 hours tracking system. They always send me email the position of delivery coming. So I will send him a email by thanks, and I tell him to give me the plant list. So if I like any plant in future, I will buy. This is I'm planning for. Just I put this plant straight away because as soon as possible they should get the position, because it's live tree, live plant, not tree, very little plant, Hope so work. So I don't put any water. I don't want to put water because this already very moisture. They have so watery. Enough watery. Just inside the soil, I put this one, and you see how I'm trying to make him work, guys. I'll put in, yeah, room. So heater already on. They got enough heating. I don't know. This come from Australia, I think so. Hot country, yeah. Australia, hot country. Australia is very big. Some country may be a little bit colder. Some area may be very hot. I will check with him by email. Uh, Him or she, I don't know really. The person I just buy online. So anyway, I will send email. So maybe if he very nice person, then I can do business in future together. So let me see first. Personally, have to test, have to check is work or not. Then take it professionally. My company really love to do what people need. Uh, this is the important I always do. So just I'm making video about him today. Today is March 2024, and date I don't know. I have to check the date. uh, so anyway, if I upload the video, then there will be in date, isn't it? So this is my digital diary, and also guys guide you. I am showing you what to grow and what to not. This is medicinal plant ashwagandha. You can see in YouTube. You can see in, look at that, the size which today comes. So this is the size I put. Ashwagandha people eat the root, like a carrot. Color is maybe white, like a parsley. Parsley people call it is ashwagandha. It is English ashwagandha because they have quality as a ashwagandha. I eat parsley raw. I don't cook really, and it is not bad in UK, growing very well in outside. So I have little parsley in outside. But San Petro, I put last year, is gone by the cold. So San Petro only I'm growing indoor at the moment. Ashwagandha, if work, then I will try. Always have to keep backup, guys. Remember it. Always keep backup indoor, especially like UK. Then put another coffee outside if you can make more and more like this. So if you can keep outside, it is good. Then you can grow more thingy in indoor. Put them outside and replace other plant. Like I have three jujube. Maybe I will try outside in the summer, so I get space so I can try other plant. So like these guys, always try to grow. No point to go too much holiday, buy costly clothes like this. Just invest, guys. Invest for in reality, real you need. Like ashwagandha is very important for you, for your family member. So you should grow it, make it, and spread it to the friends, family. So yes, guys, your goodie gift should be in Japan. Yeah, I how much I researched. Japanese people really don't like to give gift, rubbish thing, junk thing. They give fruits as a gift. This is really important. You should give fruits, vegetables, plant as a gift. Yeah, my community people really love to give plant as a gift. It is very nice. I used to give this before. Now I'm very busy. I'm just growing my one first. Then I can give it to my friends' family in future. So, guys, main gift is plant. If it is work for you, it is really fantastic. Every year, grow more and more, and give you fruits more and more. Even if you keep in deep freeze whole year, you can eat. Like I have unlimited grapes. Wow, I have raspberry grapes, unlimited. Apple also I can finish. Like season is short season apple give, so you can eat all. I have big plant. I have three plant. One is so big. I can finish grapes. Can finish raspberry. This two is too much already. I have and others. Okay, they are growing. They're taking time. Mulberry, yeah, make me happy. Don't mind. It's okay enough. I eat and like other thing, fig or other thing is coming slowly, growing more and more like this. So they make me more think about buying house. My gardening, dream. Buy house with land, so grow more and more plant. It's take time, guys, because it's not easy. I just move in this city and lots of things happening. I have to manage. Then I have to buy house, guys. I'm renting this house and lots of money I invest here. And now lots of things happening. Court case. I have to manage lots of things. I'm learning. By this, when problem come, they also have solution, and there is this is the life, guys. You have to make something happen with your action. Goody something. It is not only for you, also for every people really. People basic need shouldn't be other people serious money making game. There is the whole problem about, guys. This is my action at the moment from my company. Make action, reaction, and make solution, guys. Bye bye and peace up. See you again next. And subscribe me, give me like, and share with your friends and family if you like my gardening, guys. And for see my plant upgrade, you should subscribe me, guys, and notification, guys. Then you get my video straight away when I upload and see my gardening more and more, guys. It is pot. Look at that. Let me show you where I put my ashika. This is you see little plastic I put. So I don't know this plastic is how much good. Anyway, maybe I have to make more hole, guys. I have hole, but what are going on not I don't know. I feel like now making hole more because these tree are die. I don't know why. That was long time, but at the moment you see jackfruit is dying. Maybe I have to bring the knife and make more hole here, so easily like get you know, extra soil have to go away, and extra water have to go away, and they have to get little air maybe. I'm not exactly sure, guys. I always make my hand dirty. So plastic, and I give so little bit some to my cover for not less cold, because my heating was problem. Now is okay. Now no need to cover. So just not to be mess, I give this extra polythene in the house. Okay, bye bye guys. See you again.